Hello guys, welcome to another video, and my name is Karimakos, and I want to thank you guys for the support that you've shown me so far, by subscribing, of course, and I've received tons of likes, and I want to thank you for so far. In the same spirit, I also want to apologize for not posting as often as I should, but be sure that whenever I'm not posting, I'm working on something good, and I've been held up, so I've managed not to make something, but whenever I come back or whenever I bounce back, I'm going to come with something nice, maybe something that maybe you, as a beginner web developer, you can also learn from. That said, I've been working, for the 2 weeks, I've been working with Dorarax or Dorarax Shop, which is an e-commerce store that is coming to the Kenyan market, which is basically focusing on selling stationary grass cups, if you've heard of such cups, stationary grass cups. And some of them are made of grass from the name, and the other ones are made of stainless steel. And they also retailing rock diaries, like diaries that you can lock. And yeah, that is a project that I was working on. And in this particular video, I just want to give you a walkthrough of the entire project and what it involved. So maybe you're going to learn something from it, and also I might end up getting a similar client from this particular video. But I know most of the people who have subscribed, most of them are friends, and others are maybe web developers or junior web developers who are hoping to run something. So as much as I'm sharing this to show up, I'll show my skills so far. I'm also kind of want to inspire you to also go out there and kind of pitch. One of the things that I've said in most of my previous videos is I came from content writing, and along the way I learned a lot of digital marketing. And before I even jumped into actual coding or actual web development, I had a lot of interaction with CMSs, and CMSs include Shopify, they include WordPress, they include Drupal, they include Webflow. So these skills often support me as much as of course, I'm learning web development, because along the process, as you're running, you'll need something to sustain yourself, especially if you're not living with your parents. And yeah, so so I've been working on this project. It's called Dorarax.shop. A quick backstory: Dorarax.shop is or was designed by someone else, and the client who kind of I got this client from Facebook. Surprisingly, I kind of have a lot of work with Facebook. Actually, it's the only social media platform where I've gotten clients from. I've never gotten clients from LinkedIn. I've never gotten clients from Twitter. But I kind of think it's because I'm not actively looking for clients in those platforms, but I'm so active or actively looking for clients on Facebook. That is possibly why most of my luck comes from that platform. So someone did try to create the website for her, and I've actually gone to the Wayback Machine because I want to share this one with you. Someone did create this website for her, but she felt that this person, she wanted someone who can help her create the website. And then over time, this person can help her with digital marketing over time as she tries to roll out her brand. And we've quite went well with the digital marketing part and also the recreation of the website. So before I actually share the redesign that I made and the customization that I made, I first of all want to share all the other all the other designers, let me call them designers, not developers at the moment, because they didn't like actually code. What the other designer had done is what I want to share at the moment. And if you look at this design, um, my first amazement when I got this design is that it was so empty. You can see there is a lot of broken images. The design itself is off. There's a lot of tons of emojis which literally don't make any sense. And another thing is that if you look at the images, they kind of have a background. I don't have a problem with the background, but I kind of felt that there's something I could do with the background and change something. So generally, looking at the design itself, it's empty. Yeah, it's empty, and it's very very empty. Like, this guy didn't have the passion, and I kind of understand that. At times when you are paid, when the client doesn't have the budget, or is not paying well, it's good to be forthright with them. Instead of like you taking the money and then doing a shoddy work, it's better to tell them what their money can deliver for them. For example, if they're paying you 10K for a website that you think is worth 30,000, tell them that what the 10K can get them. Yeah. Tell them that this 10K can get you to the door, but you're never going to enter the room. Yeah. So that is kind of what I feel. So the website was basically empty. And if, for example, we look at one of the product, for example, like this one, I still felt that the website lacked a lot of copy, and you need copy. You need to tell them, you need to tell the buyer what the product is about. Unfortunately, that link is broken, but basically you get the point. So I did a redesign, and this is what I delivered. So the first point was I helped her like determine the brand colors, because you want to create something that has a brand. You want to have consistency in your brand, not have yellow today, tomorrow you're making a poster with a brew. You need to have the consistency in your branding, and that is one of the things that I helped her create. And we chose yellow, we chose black, and a little bit white. And that is what we did. And then the next thing that I did, I created this poster using Canva, and then I did some like modification of the images. I searched for very high quality images, and this is what I came up with. And I basically right now I'm also operating as her business assistant. I'm never going to mention her name, but she's an excellent person. I also help her determine the prices and the pricing and everything, because she kind of also wanted someone who can help her with the business and everything. So looking at this product, you can see that I did try to do good work. I'm impressed with what I did, and yeah, that is basically what I've been doing for the 2 weeks. And looking at some of these products, for example, if you look at these stand recaps, if you click on them, you'll see that there's a lot of tons of images that you can compare with, unlike the previous website or the previous work that had been done by the other developer. And you can also see that I did write a few specification or product description, which can tell the buyer some of the things that he or she or the customer is going to see. Yeah, so that is basically what I have been doing. Please, if you have time, because I know I don't want to make this video very lengthy, go check the website, come here and give me some of your thoughts that you have, and maybe even maybe thoughts and maybe changes that I can make. Yeah, go check it out and let me know what you have. That said, that is what I've been doing for the last 2 weeks, and in the next video I'm going to be telling you about the exciting project that I'm working on, and I hope that I'm going to see you soon. That said, please subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.